Guys, this is a UK transport, wildlife and weather video here. Tonight I present you my three new Oxford Diecast models. Here we have a Trevor Pye Transport Daf Leyland 85, 1993 built L3 Pyros. It's been up for quite a while now. Currently you can have a look. Cab of it. See, it's lovely detailed. Got rid of lights on. The Wales, British and Scottish flags. I'll turn it around so you can have a look properly. It's based in Rem, Shropshire. Side of Daf. Lovely model. Into a trailer, well detailed. Lovely markings. Nice livery to go over a truck. Back end. On the other side. There's the other side. On this side, it's got the same as the other side has. So it's basically got the three flags where it's based to, and the cab is in nice livery. Blue and white red with like goldy, yellowy writing on. Go back out. Bring it round. See, front end is nicely detailed. It's got these top spotlights on it. I think that's the original livery. So, moving on to the next one. These two been recently released. I think come out last week sometime. Pollocks trucks. This one here is a 1981 Daf 3300. The registration is MSG 757X, fleet number 53. It holds a short box trailer. Turn it around so you guys can have a look. Sorry, I can't phone keeps on bursting. There you go. Lovely truck unit. Cracking model. See the side of it, and there is a box trailer, sort of box trailer I think it's called. Got the back end of it, you see the fleet number is 53. It is NW 7742 line 81. I'm going to turn it around. See what's on the trailer. Lovely model. Got a closer tab, that's me. There you have it. Cracking and old cow. Nice model chap. You still see quite a few trucks on the road. Not many nowadays. Like you get like one of the 80s and that. This is built in 1981. Go in the front of the cab. Seat. Daf 3300. Lovely cracking model. The final one is the ERF EC11 Pollocks with a flatbed trailer. The registration is P444 PSL 1997 or 96 built, or it is I think 96, 97. On the front it says simply your best. And these trucks are quite regular in the 80s and 90s, and you still see a lot of road now, these ERF trucks. See, it's nicely detailed, cracking model. Picked them up from Antics Model Shops in Plymouth yesterday. The ERF is $24.99 and the two Daf are $22.99 each. You see, there's a trailer, lovely flatbed. Sorry about the camera got a focus guide, it keeps it so we can get a Roy on my phone. Back end view of it. See, nicely detailed trailer. Only turn it around. See the side of it. And the side of the truck unit. Lovely detail, and the fleet number is 56, I believe. Turn it around, front view. There you have it. He's cracking ERF EC11, simply the best. So there you guys have it. 3 models from my collection, new ones. There should be more to come from Devon Trucks, so I'll be giving reviews on them. Hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.